Memory is a fascinating ability. It's how our brains store and retrieve information. This process involves three key steps: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding is like taking a mental snapshot of information. Storage is like filing that snapshot away for later. Retrieval is like pulling out the file when you need it. Think of your brain like a giant filing cabinet. Every new experience, fact, or skill you encounter is like a document. Your brain decides where to file it. It also determines how easy it will be to find later. Have you ever wondered why you remember some things so clearly while others fade away? The strength of a memory depends on many factors. These include emotional significance, repetition, and the context in which it was learned. Understanding how memory works can help us improve it. We can use strategies to encode information more effectively. We can also create stronger retrieval cues to access those memories later. Our brains are incredibly complex organs. They are made up of billions of neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Memory formation involves changes in the strength of these connections. One key player in memory is a molecule called kibra. Kibra acts like a sort of molecular glue, helping to solidify memories and make them last longer. This molecule is crucial for converting short-term memories into long-term ones. Another important area for memory is the hippocampus. This seahorse-shaped structure is located deep within the brain. It acts as a memory hub, helping to process and organize new memories for long-term storage. Interestingly, recent research suggests that memory mechanisms extend beyond just neurons. Even our cells demonstrate properties like spaced repetition, highlighting the intricate nature of this cognitive function. Fortunately, there are several scientifically proven techniques that can boost our memory power. One powerful technique is spaced repetition. This involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. For example, you might review new material after 1 hour, then again after 1 day, then after 3 days, and so on. This spacing effect helps to solidify memories and make them more resistant to forgetting. Another effective technique is called the Feynman technique. This involves explaining a concept in simple terms, as if you were teaching it to a child. This process of simplification forces you to understand the material deeply and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Active recall is another powerful tool for improving memory. This involves testing yourself on material without looking at your notes. By forcing your brain to retrieve information, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with that memory. Section 4. Lifestyle choices for a sharper mind. Our lifestyle choices can have a significant impact on our memory function. Here are some key areas to focus on. Regular physical exercise is essential for a healthy brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that are vital for optimal cognitive function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. A healthy diet is also crucial for brain health. Focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide antioxidants and nutrients that protect the brain from damage. Getting enough sleep is essential for memory consolidation. During sleep, our brains process and store new memories. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Finally, managing stress is crucial for optimal brain function. Chronic stress can damage the hippocampus, impairing memory formation. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Section 5. Practical tips for everyday memory. In addition to the techniques and lifestyle changes mentioned above, here are some practical tips to improve your everyday memory. One simple but effective strategy is to establish routines. For example, always keep your keys in the same place when you get home. This reduces the cognitive load on your brain and makes it less likely that you'll misplace them. Another helpful tip is to create vivid mental images to associate with information you want to remember. For example, if you need to remember to buy milk, you might picture a giant carton of milk blocking your front door. Writing things down can also be a powerful memory aid. The act of physically writing something down helps to encode it more deeply in your brain. Finally, minimize distractions when you're trying to learn or remember something important. Turn off the TV, put your phone away, and find a quiet place to focus. By understanding the science of memory and implementing these practical strategies, you can enhance your memory power and improve your overall cognitive function. Remember, a healthy brain is a lifelong endeavor. Make these tips a part of your daily routine to keep your mind sharp and your memories strong. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with future content.